With forgiveness work, people think it's something very special, or it's only for some spiritual purpose, or they need to have something really big to think of forgiveness or to attend a program on forgiveness. Actually, forgiveness is for every single person. Everybody who is here will have something or the other that they will need to release, to let go, and to forgive someone for. It's not possible to not have anything. Recently, somebody told me, but I don't have anything to forgive. When somebody says that, what they mean is that they don't have anything big, large enough to forgive. But forgiveness is not only for large things, it's for every single thing. Small day-to-day accumulations which block our energy and stop us from living our lives. It's a life skill that's necessary for us to just move forward with ease in our lives. Every day we have small resentment, small anger, small situations, all that will accumulate. And then when that accumulates, what happens? Something gets blocked in our body, in our minds. And we wonder why then we are stuck and we're not able to move forward in some area or the other, some aspect of our life or the other. And that is where forgiveness comes in, playing a huge role. You can just let go of all that, feel completely free inside, and just move forward with grace, with ease, just being yourself. It's really beautiful. And if it's not for something, not to clear some block, not for getting something out, it also helps for us to just be able to move forward towards a direction that we want to go in. So any which way, forgiveness works, and forgiveness is absolutely essential for everyone.